Hi, this is Allison USA Tito today. We're going to airport. For what, lalabs?
To return the rental car.
To return this car. And this car is so beautiful. It's a big car. So tell me about this, loves.
It's a 2021 Chevy Suburban.
Chevy Suburban. And look at this.
Premier.
Premier.
Yeah, fully loaded.
Wow.
Yeah.
And show me what's inside this one.
All you hit is hit home, babe, and then you can go through the apps. But
What to do?
what I should do before is the camera.
Wow.
Back up.
Wow. And the
then
lights on.
If you push drive, it gives you the forward camera and lets you know where the car.
Okay, loves. So I just wait you here, and then I will show you guys what's in this car, and I don't know what they call this. And I'll show you something, guys. You know, over there, the zero mph. If you can see here, you see over there at front, there's a zero something blah blah. Okay, because of this. Wow! You can see the 0, 0, 0. You see that? The 0 mph. Over here, this one, 0 mph. Okay, it reflects this one. Wow! 0 mph. Oh, diba? Astig. Only here you can see in the front of the driver. Okay, so let us see at the back. Here we go. Oh. Okay. Labs, show me again the up and down, the chairs.
See?
It's getting dark if my husband, ano. Okay. Up and down. Magic! See? The other one. Wow! Rental car. Where is that?
It's
Over
right there, babe.
Okay, over there. And look at this. The roof. We can't see it. But
Like our truck. It has a moon roof.
Moon roof.
Yeah, with a curtain
Curtain.
cover.
Yeah. Here we go. My husband turning.
And then it
can't
has a
see it.
sunroof. This is a sunroof.
Okay.
But it's too cold outside.
So that's it. We go again. Back to the driveway. Sorry, my loves, my seatbelt.
Yeah, it's big.
Because I showed to them the one you showed me, the 0 mph.
Oh, the HUD
Yeah.
heads up
It
display.
says there, buckle. Unlock. And then, what's the new of this car? What's the beauty of this car, loves, again?
It's comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yeah, it rides nice. Rides very nice. Yeah.
So, how much is this, loves?
I don't know, maybe we'd have to look it up and see.
This is million, of
Oh,
course.
well, it's probably about $70,000 or $80,000.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
guessing probably about $60,000 or $70,000.
Ooh. Is it same the truck?
Yeah, probably.
But I think this is the same the one we used when we went in Maryland.
No, that was van.
What color is this? Gray again, loves?
Huh?
Gray again?
No, this inside?
No, outside.
Oh, white.
Ah, okay. Okie dokie. Okay. So guys,